Weebly Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the platform and additional resources are included in the description below. In this video, I'll provide a concise review of Weebly for dropshipping, covering its features, strengths, weaknesses, and who it's best suited for. Let's get started. Weebly, powered by Square, is a website builder that offers e-commerce functionality, making it a potential choice for dropshipping. It stands out for its simplicity and affordability, making it appealing for beginners or small businesses. Weebly's drag-and-drop editor allows you to build a professional-looking store with no coding skills required. It includes customizable templates that are mobile-friendly, ensuring your store looks great on any device. For dropshipping, Weebly integrates with key apps like Spocket, Printful, and Modalist, enabling you to source and sell products seamlessly. These apps handle inventory and order fulfillment, allowing you to focus on marketing and scaling your business. Weebly also includes essential e-commerce tools like secure payment processing, inventory management, and options for tax and shipping calculations. A major strength of Weebly is its affordability. Its pricing plans are budget-friendly compared to competitors, making it an excellent choice for those starting out. Additionally, its integration with Square ensures smooth POS, point-of-sale functionality, which is great for businesses that want to combine online and offline sales. Weebly also offers basic SEO tools and analytics, which are helpful for optimizing your store and tracking performance. However, Weebly does have some drawbacks. Its dropshipping capabilities are more limited compared to platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, with fewer app integrations and advanced tools. It also lacks robust scalability options, so it may not be the best choice for larger businesses or those with high-volume sales. Additionally, its customization options are somewhat limited, which can be a challenge if you need advanced design flexibility. Who is Weebly dropshipping for? It's ideal for beginners, small businesses, or those with a tight budget who want an easy-to-use platform to get started with dropshipping. It's a good fit for simple stores, but less suitable for users looking for advanced features or significant scalability. That's the full review of Weebly for dropshipping: clear, concise, and actionable. If you're ready to try it out, check the links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more e-commerce reviews.